welcome to my channel. This is Sanvi. So, do you know which festival is coming next? Krishna Janmastami. So, I will show you how to make a jhula for Krishna. We need ice cream sticks and hot glue gun, and we need golden strips. Let's get started for Krishna. I will stick 2 sticks with hot glue gun. I will use these ice cream sticks to stick together. I will take 2 sticks to make the top portion. I took 5 ice cream sticks in a half. Cut it in half. Stick them to make a chair. I made 2 of them so I could stick like a chair. I will make a chair handles. Here is a chair ready for Krishna. I took a yarn to swing, so I will glue it over here. We'll put some lace to decor. Here my swing is ready. I'm gonna put Krishna inside the swing. Yeah. It's having fun. If you like my swing, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you in next video. Jai Shri Krishna.